Today I am reviewing the Dreo Portable Air Conditioner AC515S. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Right off the bat, this unit packs a serious punch. With 12,000 BTUs of cooling power, it's designed to handle spaces up to 235 cubic feet, making it ideal for bedrooms, home offices, and small apartments. It delivers fast, effective cooling up to 16 feet away and allows you to maintain temperatures anywhere between 65 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you like it refreshingly cool or just mildly chilled, this unit lets you take full control of your environment. But cooling is just one part of the equation. The Dreo AC515S is a true 3-in-1 system. You're not only getting a powerful air conditioner, you're also getting a built-in fan and a highly efficient dehumidifier. This means that on cooler days, you can switch to fan mode to keep the air moving or use the dehumidifier to remove excess moisture from the air, which is perfect for those muggy summer evenings. The combination gives you all-season versatility in a single unit. Now, let's talk about something that's often overlooked in portable ACs: noise levels. One of the standout features here is the ultra-quiet 46 decibel operation. That's whisper quiet. Thanks to Dreo's new noise isolation system, the sound from the compressor is minimized, making this air conditioner one of the quietest in its class. If you're placing in a bedroom, nursery, or workspace, the low noise will be a game changer. One of the features I truly appreciate is the drainage-free design in cooling mode, as long as the humidity stays under 85%. Traditional portable ACs often require frequent draining, especially in humid climates. But the Dreo's smart condenser and water pump system help eliminate that hassle. It evaporates the collected water internally and reduces the need to manually empty the tank. When it comes to convenience, the Dreo AC515S is fully loaded. You can control it in 3 different ways: via the included remote control, through the Dreo mobile app, or even better, hands-free using voice commands with Alexa or Google Assistant. Want to change the temperature, switch modes, or set a timer without even getting off the couch? Just say the word. The app is intuitive and gives you access to a full range of settings, including fan speeds, operation modes, sleep timers, and schedule management. Installation is another area where this air conditioner shines. Dreo includes a universal window kit that works with windows from 17 to 53 inches. Whether you have a sliding or vertical window, setup is simple and doesn't require professional help. Just follow the clear instructions, secure the panels, plug in the unit, and you're good to go. Let's not forget the build quality. The unit feels sturdy, and the large LED display is clear and easy to read. At around 28 inches tall and just over 14 inches deep, it's compact enough to fit neatly in a corner. Plus, with smooth rolling wheels, moving it from one room to another is effortless. Power consumption falls between 1150 and 1450 watts with a standard 120-volt plug, so it won't trip your breaker every time it powers up. It's also backed by Dreo's responsive customer service, which is a big plus if you ever need assistance or have questions.